far away, this might be a Christmas look, but then up close, spooky. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adri, welcome. Today is my first Halloween look of spooky season. This is a very simple, a very easy, very last minute Halloween look. It's kind of like a bloody cut crease, like you've been trying to do your cut crease over and over again. You kept having to redo it, so now it hurts and you literally cut your crease. This look does not take very much talent at all, so let's just get started. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start off by lining my lid with the cut crease shape. I'm just going to use this lip liner from MAC. It is in the color Cherry. You can literally use anything to do this. You can use shadow, you can use liquid lipstick, you can use lipstick, you can use cream paint, anything you really want. The only thing that really matters with this look is that this line up here is just above your natural crease in your eye, because this doesn't dry down, like the fake blood doesn't dry down all the way, and you don't want like your lids sticking together or being uncomfortable or anything. If you're not good at liner, do not worry. This does not have to be perfect at all. This is just the outline. You can do a different shape if you want. You can just do a regular winged liner. You can just do the top line only. There's a lot of different ways you can do this, but I just find this super, super easy. Do you see how ugly that is? It's okay, okay? Because we're just going to fix it a tiny bit. It's super, super ugly, okay? I'm not the best at this, but it turned out pretty okay on the other side. So trust the process, people. So next I'm gonna go in with this MAC 997 flat angled brush, and I am going to take some bloody scab mixture that I got at probably Spirit Halloween for probably less than $5, I'm guessing. You can also make some fake blood with some stuff in your kitchen pantry. I'll try to find a video and link it up above so that you can literally have this be like your last minute, I didn't go to the store situation, you know? I literally found this blood in my like Halloween box from last year, so it's like I didn't go out and buy this for this look, I just had it, you know? I'm just gonna follow that line. I'm gonna try to stay above that line just because I don't want to go into my crease like I said. Just gonna dab it on. So next, I'm going to take a stippling sponge. You can use a regular sponge or like a little stippling brush if you have one. I'm gonna spray a little setting spray on the corner of it, just because I want it to be a little bit, tiny bit messy. So I'm just gonna pinch it like this, and I'm going to lightly dab. That's it, I'm not gonna go too crazy or anything. So in order to give this look a little bit of dimension, I'm going to take some darker blood that I found in my Halloween box. It is zombie blood. I probably got it for like $2.99 at Spirit Halloween or like Walmart or something. Or again, you can make some fake blood. So this is pretty dark, like almost brown. I'm just gonna take this like really small pointed MAC brush, and I'm gonna just dab the tip in there. And I'm gonna focus this on the same line. We're just gonna follow along. So let that dry for just a second. Then we're just gonna go over the top again with some more bloody scab. Okay, we're going back into the bloody scab with that angled brush. We're just gonna go over the top again. All right, going in one more time with that darker blood. So I messed up a little bit. I'm just gonna clean up right underneath here. Do you see how easy that was? Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I do want them to match at least. So I accidentally dipped too far down, and now they're matching a little bit better. From afar, it just looks like a cute graphic liner, but when you get up close, you're like, oh, she's spooky. I'm just gonna dab a little bit with the sponge. I mean, remember, just really, really lightly. So now I'm just gonna add my lash, and I will be right back. I'm gonna take my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and I am going to add this little black line right here so it makes it look like this is all black once I put liner down here. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I'm gonna put it right there in my waterline. I'm gonna use the YSL Gold Blur Primer. It's so pretty. Can you guys see this? It's like has shimmers in it. It's so beautiful. Just gonna dot it all over. So I'm gonna go in with the YSL, I'm not even gonna try to say it. I'm gonna put the picture here. It is, I don't know, Touche Éclat. This is the shade BD25. I look literally crazy right now. Oh my God. Okay, let's get this situated. Doesn't this look like skin, you guys? Like this, I feel like this foundation is so nice. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the NARS Creamy Concealer in Custard. Brighten up my under eyes. Again, I look crazy. What's new? Okay, let's warm her up. Well, first, let's set our under eye with Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. So I'm gonna take this NARS Matte Bronzer in Laguna and I'm going to contour. So I'm gonna take this NARS blush in Dulce Vita. It's a little darker than I usually use, but this is a dark look. So I'm gonna take my Makeup by Mario Master Secret Glow and I'm gonna use that as highlight. It's so pretty. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm gonna do my bottom mascara with the Giorgio Armani Classico in Eyes to Kill. Okay guys, let's move on to the lips. So I'm gonna use that same red lip liner that I used for my eyes. It's MAC color Cherry. It's been a really long time since I've done a red lip. So I'm gonna go in with a satin red. It is MAC lipstick in MAC red. So what do we think of the finished look? So I'll show you up close. If you did like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you guys next time.